Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and from here scroll all the way down to System and then select Reset Options. And here you want to choose Erase All Data Factory Reset, which will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, most importantly, this list includes things like downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. If you have anything from this list that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you actually go through the Erase All Data process. Now, assuming you have already created a backup of the data that you want to preserve, or maybe just don't want to, you can continue by selecting Erase All Data here. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I have a pattern. Once confirmed, you can then select Erase All Data for the second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, maybe a little bit longer. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.